Alright, let's tackle fixing Snapchat's support code SS06. If you're encountering this code, it means Snapchat suspects suspicious activity or multiple failed login attempts, temporarily disabling your access. Here's how to resolve it. Step 1. Wait it out. The simplest solution is to wait for about 10 to 15 minutes before attempting to log in again. Sometimes, this temporary lockout period will automatically lift. Step 2. Reinstall Snapchat. If you're eager to regain access sooner, head to your device settings. Navigate to General and then iPhone Storage, or equivalent on Android. Find Snapchat in the list of apps, offload it, and then reinstall it. This process essentially gives you a fresh version of the app, which can often resolve the SS06 error. Step 3. Connect to known Wi-Fi. If you typically log into Snapchat from specific locations, such as your home Wi-Fi or a favorite coffee shop, try connecting to that Wi-Fi network. Snapchat may recognize the familiar IP address and grant you access more readily. Step 4. Wait for unlock. If none of the above steps work, unfortunately, you'll have to wait until Snapchat unlocks your account. This typically takes about 15 to 30 minutes. Once unlocked, you should be able to log in again. Remember, if you're struggling to remember your password, don't keep trying incorrect ones. Instead, use the Forgot Password option to receive a recovery code via email or phone number. That's it! By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the SS06 error code and regain access to your Snapchat account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.